نعم.
Okay. Teacher,
Yes, Hassan.
today we will take a new lesson.
We took it.
No.
Took a new
Yes, yesterday
It's
I was
not-
asking you about the decimal number.
It's not.
Yes, I know it.
Okay.
We put
Okay,
THS.
Okay.
Number,
Jad, I
point,
sent-
and number.
Jad, I sent for you on the educational files video. Did you check it?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I check it.
This video.
Yes, teacher. Yes, yes.
Can you listen, please? Can you listen, please? I asked Jad. Jad,
Zoom or video?
Zoom for another section. Did you check it?
Yes.
Yeah, for A.
Yes.
5A.
This Zoom, yes. Jad, بهيدا الزوم, okay, بهيدا الفيديو, للزوم period, I explained why we have to say tens in the decimal part. So if you checked it, you know why we have to place tens and there is no ones.
Okay, I'll check it.
I check it.
Teacher, do we have to watch the video of the recording
Yes,
section A?
yes.
Okay.
But why there's no for our session, only for
Yeah.
5A?
Because I explained for them, ya Batul. And you have educational files and they have Zoom period. Yeah. So we said that a decimal number is composed of two parts, a whole part and a decimal part. The whole part, the place value of the first digit is ones, tens, 100,000. Whereas the decimal part, there is no ones. We have to start with tens, 100,000, 10,000,
Yeah.
and so on. And we said that the whole part represents the squares that are full colored, totally colored, whereas decimal part represents the part of a figure is colored. So if we are coloring more than the total, so we will talk about decimals. I will repeat it again, Yajad, because you didn't check the video. If we have here a square, we divide it into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Teacher, the one who entered now iPhone, what's your name, please?
I am Ali.
I think I am Malik.
8,
I am Malik.
9, and 10. Okay.
Miss Anna, the link that the video
Good
that
morning,
the Zoom video that you
I am
sent
Malik.
Don't watch it.
So if you look at this square is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we draw another one also and I divide it into 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. طيب نحن لما نحكي عن decimal numbers يا teacher دايما we will divide any square or any shape into 10 equal parts or 100 or 1000 or 10,000. يعني أنا ما في أعمل له divide into 5 equal parts or into 7 or into 6. We have to divide it into 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. يعني 1 مع zeros. Clear?
Clear.
So دايما أنا لما بحكي عن decimals So decimals, we have to divide any shape into 10 equal parts or 100 or 1000 and so on. طيب. Here we have two squares.
There's no rule.
إيه جاد؟
There's no rule why we divide it into just 10 and so on.
اسمع شوي يا جاد، نحن مش سكوير فينا نعمل له divide ل plenty of parts.
Yes.
اوكي؟ هلا اللي انا بعمل لهم ديفايد ل 10 و 100 و 1000 اعطيتهم سبيشال نيم اسمه ديسيمال. اوكي؟ يعني انا اخذت السكويرز اللي هن معمل لهم ديفايد ل 10 or 100 or 1000 ها وانا شو اعطيتهم تسميه ديسيمالز، ديسيمال فراكشنز. اوكي؟
Okay.
طيب
Yes, I think I'm getting it. No, when we draw a square, we can't divide it into one equal parts.
Yes,
we
yes.
can.
But pay attention. Wait, I didn't
We
finish
put
my
one,
idea.
it becomes two. So
Oh, wait a minute, Jad, wait.
put
If we
one
have
line,
here
it
two
becomes
squares,
two.
one of them is totally colored. This square, I colored all of it. The second one, I colored just two parts of it. أنا دايما بحكي عن decimals إذا عم بعمل coloring more than the total. يعني هون أنا عم لون أكثر من التوتال by two parts. Okay? طيب. What is the fraction that represents the colored part in the first figure? How many parts did we color?
10 over 10.
10 over 2.
Over
In the second one.
Teacher, like 1 over 2 over 10. 2 over 10.
Please, Hassan, talk in a low voice. You made noise. Please, teacher.
Like 1, teacher, like 1.
Yes, 10 over 10, the same as you. Okay, so 10 over 10, the same as 1, and the second one
divide it
into 2 over 10.
Because we can't divide it into one equal part.
لا ما خص يا جاد ما خص. هلا in order to write the decimal number دايما أنا بس بدي أكتب الديسيمال number the whole part بتعني the number of squares that are full colored. For example, here ال1 represents the whole part. ما هي كلمة whole جاي من whole يعني all the shape is full colored whole all of it. Okay? So the whole part represents the squares that are full colored. How many squares are full colored? We have one square is full colored, so the whole part is 1. Point. الديسيمال part بتعني the parts that are colored. How many more parts did we color here?
2.
2. So the decimal part is 2. But because يا جاد, so the decimal number here is 1.2. 1 means one square is full colored. 2 means we colored 2 parts more than this full square. We colored 2 more parts. Okay?
Yeah.
Clear, Jad? هلا.
Yes.
بما انه الديسيمال بارت هي 2 يا جاد. طيب in order to know the place value. طيب نحن قلنا ال 2 represents 2 parts are colored out of 10. So 2 is the 10th digit. For this reason, 2 is the 10th, it's not the ones. Because how do we write 2?
يعني ما فهمت.
Batul, listen.
Yes, me too. I'm not understanding it very much.
جاد إذا أنا قلت يا جاد 5.6 ال 5 شو بتعني؟
الملونين.
طيب إذا هيك ما نحكي نحن 10 مع بعض أكيد ما حنفهم. أنا عم بسأل واحد واحد. جاد ال 5 represents what؟
The whole part.
طيب أوكي whole part. الهول part شو بتعني؟
معناتها the total.
يعني the squares that are full colored. What do I mean by the whole part?
The squares that are colored.
How many squares are full colored here?
5.
يعني عندنا 1 2 3 4 5 كلهم ملونين totally colored. اوكي؟ طيب ال 6 شو بتعني يا جاد؟
The ones that are not colored.
لا 6 شو بتعني ال 6 and 2 شو بتعني 2؟
The colored part, the non-colored
We
part.
are coloring more than the total 2 parts. And here we are coloring more than the total by how many parts? هلا حلون أنا 6 parts out of how many parts?
5.
حلو.
Out of 6.
6 شو بتعني 6? I will color 6 parts out of how much?
The whole number.
We don't color them.
Out of 10 يا teacher. Out of 10. أنا شو قلت ببداية الحصة؟ Decimal number. We are dividing this square into 10 equal parts. 10 يعني ال 5.6 بتعني ال 5 squares are full colored with 6 parts out of 10 are colored. عندنا هون 6 parts are colored out of 10. لأنه أنا عم أقول 6 parts out of 10 so 6 is the 10th digit. 6
Okay.
over 10. How do we write 6 over 10 in letters? 6/10. So 6 is the 10th digit because we are coloring here 6 parts out of 10. So it's the 10th. دايما الديسيمال part represents a fraction بينما الwhole part هي whole number. يعني أنا لما أقول 2.3 2 what does it mean 2
Whole number.
الwhole number شو بيعني يا بتول
1. The 2 boxes are colored.
proud of you Asil that's it 2 squares are full colored 2 boxes are full colored
Colored.
طيب 2 boxes are full colored ال 3 what does it mean in the decimal part
3 more boxes are colored.
out of how much
3 out of 10.
10
out of 10.
3 out of 10 are colored
Are
3 out of 10
Colored
are colored, so
and
3 is the 10th digit. 3 out
One
of 10.
box.
We are coloring 3 out of 10, so 3 is the 10th digit. For this reason, we have to say 10.
طب you say we can write 100 and 1000.
اسمعوا لما يكون عندنا 2 digits يا بتول بالديسيمال بارت 2.31 for example عندنا 2 digits بتصير 100 بس يصير عندنا بالديسيمال بارت 3 digits بتصير 1000
Okay.
دايما الديسيمال بارت represent a fraction لأن هي represent a fraction أنا ما في أقول whole number يعني ما I can't say ones بينما الwhole part لأن هي similar to a whole number so we have to start with ones, tens, 100,000 بينما الديسيمال بارت دايما الديسيمال بارت هي لما أكون أنا عم لون جزء من هيدا الفيجر جزء من يعني أنا عم بحكي عن fraction نحن بنحكي عن fractions if we are coloring a part of any figure part of it ودايما الديسيمال بارت هي ما بتعني الفول colored بتعني a part of a figure is colored بما انه part يعني we have to think about fraction والدينومينيتور عم بيكون either 10 او 100 او 1000 يعني انا ما في اقول ones we have to say tens 100,000 and so on is it clear
Yes.
مهدي فرحات there is noise around you please stay mute
Miss, so because the decimal is not a whole number, we start with 10.
That's it, because the decimal is a fraction. It represents a fraction. A part of a figure is colored.
So 10 is a whole
Teacher, I
number.
didn't understand
So,
well.
لأنه هي fraction يعني الدينومينيتور عم بيكون يا 10 يا 100 يا 1000. So we have to say tenth, hundredth, thousandth. هلا بالاكسرسايزز بتوضح الصورة أكثر. I will revise for you how do we change decimal numbers to fractions and the fractions to decimal numbers. Yeah, let's do examples. 0.4, how do we write it as a fraction? In order to write it as a fraction, 0.4 شو بتعني 0.4 يا جاد؟ إذا أنا بدي أرسمها كفيجر شو بتعني
4 out of 10.
Excellent ماجد. 4 out of 10, 4 parts out of 10 are
0 boxes.
colored. 0 boxes are full colored. ولما أقول 0.4 بتعني 4 parts out of 10 are colored. بما إنه 4 parts out of 10 يعني 0.4 هي the same as 4 over 10. That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
Very easy. Okay.
So 4 over 10.
But how we change a decimal number for a fraction to the decimal number?
بتقول أنت ما كنت الحصة الماضية لازم بس تغيبي يا بتول تطلعي على حصص الزوم مرة تانية على السيستم صح؟
Yes.
ايه لأنه نحن هيدول كلهم أنا اللي عم أقولهم هلا مشروحين يا بتول. اللي عم تسأليني عنه هلا أنا شرحته بالحصص الماضية. يعني نحن صرنا مبلشين بهيدا الدرس 2 periods. هلا هي third period يا بتول. هلا.
I was in the first period, but the second
I'm done.
0.4 هي the same as 4 over 10. We are coloring 4 parts out of 10. طيب. Amal Fakih 0.05. How do we write the fraction? يلا يا أمال.
5. We write 5 over 10.
ليه 10؟
No 100.
5 over 100.
because there are two numbers.
اسمعوا شوي. نحن حتى نكتب
There's 2 fractions.
شو 2 fractions؟ عندنا بس 1 fraction. شو 2 fractions؟
No, teacher, because
No, I mean 2 numbers. 2 numbers.
Two numbers, not
مثل
two
decimal
fractions.
part. برافو. 2 digits. 2 digits.
When we have 2 digits, we write 100. When
Yes.
we have
Three, we have 1,000.
So listen.
one, now I understand.
Okay. So أنا حتى أكتب fraction. I will write either over 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. It depends where. It depends on the number of digits in the decimal parts. يعني بالfirst one عندنا 1 digit in the decimal part
Like
over
zeros.
10. In the second one we have 2 digits in the decimal part, so it has to be 100. Okay? According to the number of digits in the decimal part. هلا بيقولوا لي students يا teacher نحن عندنا هون 2 zeros يعني we have to say 100. No teacher. أنا ما عم عد الزيروز، أنا عم عد digits in the decimal part. ممكن يكون عندي 2 zeros وممكن يكون عندي 4 digits. ما في يحط 100. We have to say 10,000.
10,000.
طيب. Let me ask now أسير حيدر.
Yes, teacher.
How do we write 0.19 as a fraction?
19 over 10.
19
No,
over
19 over
100.
100.
هلا why 100 يا أسير؟
Because there are
two digits.
after the point.
Excellent. 2 digits after the decimal point. طيب
Number.
هلا السؤال I gave you the fraction, you want to know the decimal number. It's so easy. طيب أنا بما إنه لما أقول 3 over 10 I gave you برافو ماجد I gave you just a fraction. So what is the whole part?
0.3.
Step by step. Step by step.
0.3.
Why 0.3?
So the whole part here is 0. ليه؟ لأنه عندنا
Zero.
just fraction. Did I write here a number, a whole number?
No.
So the whole part is 0. So 0 point. طيب. It 10 what does it mean? It 10. How many digits do we have in the decimal part?
One.
So 10 means we have just 1 digit. Which digit in the decimal part?
3.
So it's 0.3. That's it. Okay? طيب.
Why you write 0 not 3?
يا بتول أنا قلت ببداية الحصة الهول بارت بتعني الهول نمبر. أنا هون كتبت شي هول نمبر، كتبت شي 9 plus 3 over 10.
No.
So the whole part is 0. When I say 9 plus 3 over 10, I cross out 0, I will write 9. بتصير الهول part 9.
So easy.
Now Aya Malik.
Yes.
Aya, how do we write?
Yes.
From where is the sound?
From Jidda Asad.
Jude. Batul Haj. Mute. Jude also.
Miss, my microphone is already muted.
طيب.
It's not me.
9 over 100 وعندنا 15 plus 6 out of 10 plus 7 over 100 55 plus 13 over 1000. Yeah. Aya Malik, how do we write 9 over 100 as a decimal number? Aya Malik, please unmute and tell us how do we write 9 over 9 as a decimal number.
I can't do it.
Hamad Ajawi, please stay mute. Yalla Aya, I'm waiting. طيب. أمير عودة. أمير. بتول الحاج.
Yes, teacher.
How do we write 9 over 100 as a decimal number?
0.
0. Point. How many
9.
dashes we have to place? Before you say the answer, tell me how many dashes we have to place.
2.
2 dashes. Okay. 9, where should I write it?
The last dash.
Bravo, at the end. Will empty space.
0.
Excellent. Thank you, Batul.
Easy.
Jad Al-Hariri.
Yes.
15 plus 6 over 10 plus 7 over 100. How do we write the decimal number?
6 over 10.
Wait. Where? 15. We have 15.
15 plus 6.
Yes. So what shall I do with 15? What does it mean?
It's the whole part.
Bravo. So 15 point. How many dashes we have to place now?
2.
2 dashes. لأنه biggest number هو 100. طيب. First digit هي 10 والsecond 100. Fill them please.
67.
15 plus 6.
Why are you adding, Jad?
No, 6 and 7.
Which digit is the 10th?
6.
10. Which digit is the 100th?
7.
15.67. That's it.
7.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes. Jad, repeat the last one. How do we solve it?
15 plus 15.
55 يا جاد plus 13 over 1000. How do we solve it?
We first put 3 dashes.
55 يا جاد منك مركز اليوم. Point. How many dashes?
55. Can I?
3.
3 dashes. Okay. شو بعمل هلا يا جاد؟
0. We put 1 0.
يوسف.
We put 13.
We put 13 where? Where should I place 13 يا جاد?
Last 2 digits.
Bravo Majid. Excellent. The last 2 digits. Then the empty space?
0.
0. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can I answer?
0.
Turn يا حسن.
Easy.
Let's start doing exercise 1, page 62.
Hey, wait a moment to bring my book.
يلا.
62.
Page 62. جواد شمس الدين.
Volume 1.
Silent. يلا يا جواد. جواد شمس الدين.
Page 62.
Yes, teacher.
يلا. The first one, 5 over 1000. How do we write the decimal number?
5 point and 3 dashes.
You mean 0 point.
Or 0 point.
Okay, 3 dashes. The 5, where should I place it?
On the last one.
Okay, will empty space?
0.
Okay, thank you. جود أسعد. جود أسعد. Jude, 0.007. How do we write the fraction? Jude.
Teacher, can I make it?
Jude Asad. How do we write the fraction?
Teacher, can I make? Can I
Jude.
answer?
Jude, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yalla, teacher. How do we write the fraction? It's 7. Where should I place it, ya Jude?
Teacher, can I make it?
Can I?
Up. From up.
Hassan Jbara.
Yes.
Yusuf.
Hassan Jbara.
Teacher.
لا حظي.
Hassan Jaber.
Page 7 over 1000.
اطفي
لحظة
شوي
شوي.
لو سمحت.
حسن جابر.
كان قصدي على الكمبيوتر طبعا.
حسن جبارة.
Yes.
يلا يا حسن. How do we write 0.007 as a fraction?
7 over 1000.
برافو. 7 up يا جود. 1000 down. Why we have to place 1000 down? How many digits do we have in the decimal part?
3.
3 digits. So 1000. Jude. Jude أسعد.
Teacher, I'm done.
طيب
part
حسن جابر. كمان he left. حسن طاهر.
Teacher,
Yes حسن جابر. Okay.
sorry for the noise.
طيب يلا يا حسن. 0.0023. How do we write it as a fraction?
20.
Yes.
0.
23 up and down.
23 over 100.
ليه 100?
False.
No.
Teacher,
10,000 teacher.
10,000.
4 digits after the point.
3 zeros.
طيب أنا هعيدها.
شو دخل على زيرو؟
ما شوي بحط الزيروز. I'm not counting the
We
zeros.
have 4 digits.
Yusuf, listen. We are counting the digits exactly. In the decimal part, we have 4 digits, 10,000.
zeros.
3 digits, 1,000. 2 digits, 100. We are counting the digits. In the decimal part.
10,000.
Who didn't understand till now?
Every digit takes us.
عم تسمعوني؟ Are you hearing me? مين عامل ميوت للكال؟ We still have just 2 minutes. يلا.
Oh my God.
She left.
طيب. حسين خليل. طب حسين خليل. حسين نجم. حسين نجم. يوسف بزون. يوسف. يوسف.
Okay.
يلا يا يوسف.
0.0.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Zero it becomes 0.0 435.
Excellent. So 4 digits, 4 dashes.
No zeros.
برافو. 4 dashes لأنه عندنا 10,000. بنبلش بال 435 بعدين بنحط الامتي سبيس دي. طيب. لين زبد. مش معنى لين. مهدي فرحات.
صوتك أحيانا عم بيقطع.
Yes.
بكون من الإنترنت. مهدي فرحات. 8 over 10,000.
Yeah. 8 over.
Teacher.
Wait لين. After مهدي. يلا 8 over 10,000.
0.
Point. How many dashes?
4 dashes.
4 dashes. ال 8 where should I place it?
At the last one.
Okay. والempty space.
Zeros.
Thank you. لين زبد. Please quickly. The second one.
Yes.
Tell me the fraction.
Easy.